We have another Blast multiplier for the Blast airdrop coming in 2 weeks, and this one's gonna get you up to a 20x, which means you'll have 20 times more airdrop in 2 weeks than if you don't do this and the other multipliers. Let's hop in. If for some reason you still have not joined this airdrop, go to blast.matscrypto.com and join the airdrop. It's super easy and it will take you 5 minutes and it'll be worth your time because this airdrop's pretty much the easiest thing ever. All you need to do is bridge ETH or USDC over here under the bridge section and then just leave it there. That's the simplest thing you can do to get this airdrop. For the next multiplier, we're gonna go over to the multipliers tab and scroll down here and you can see it's the lending multiplier. This is one of the last 3 multipliers we need to get. So to earn this one, we click earn multiplier and we can see here we need to go over to a lending protocol and lend any amount of ETH or USDB, which is Blast's version of stablecoin, to get this 2x multiplier. And once we do that, we should have an 18x plus 2x, which will give us a 20x multiplier on the points we're earning every single hour. We are going to use Juice Finance because there is 900,000 gold left to be distributed. And if we do anything on their platform, we might as well try to get some of that gold that they still have to distribute out to users. So we're gonna go over to Juice Finance. I'll leave the link down below in the description so you can get over to this page right here. Then you're gonna wanna go over to the lend tab right up here and you can lend either USDB or wrapped ETH. For this example, I'm going to do wrapped ETH. You're gonna click supply and then you're gonna put in whatever you want. We'll put 0.001, which is $3, and that's the usual amount we use for most of these multipliers, is trying to get it under $3 in cost. You'll have to sign a transaction to approve the withdrawal of wrapped ETH from your account, and then you can click supply and sign that transaction. And once you've done that, you're going to be done with this whole thing. You can go ahead and immediately withdraw it if you want by clicking the withdrawal tab here and then withdraw whatever you've put in, or you can leave it in there and earn some APY and some other benefits from Juice. In order to confirm your transaction went through, you can click on this positions tab right over here and you're gonna see supplied wrapped ETH or supplied USDB if you did that, and you'll see the amount that you've put in here to make sure that it's actually gone through. So you can see we did 0.001 right here. Once we do this, we want to go back over to Blast, then go back over to the multipliers tab and wait for this to validate. So we refresh the page and there you go. There's our 2x multiplier completed. We can now go back over and withdraw that lending position from Juice. This multiplier up here going to 20x does usually take about 30 minutes to register, but we are done. We have actually gotten the multiplier completed and we're on to the maximum allocation for this airdrop. If you guys want to get all the other multipliers and have any other questions about how the Blast airdrop works and how exactly I'm farming it, watch this video right here. It's going to tell you every single thing that I'm doing, or you can join our private membership group at matscrypto.com to talk to me about all the stuff that we're doing day in and day out to maximize our farm for Blast and get access to these 60 other airdrops that are on this spreadsheet right here and see what those are all about. We actually just got one today from Aether, which was worth $1,500, and that was a free airdrop. So if you want access to any of that, matscrypto.com, we'll see you in there. Before you head out, make sure you also go and watch this video if you haven't yet, because you simply don't want to miss it.